Hey, this is Joan of Art. I'm here at DAMIRES Hills. This is a resort here in Haniway, Iloilo. Yay! I'm in Iloilo now, the home of Ilonggo dialect. So, Iloilo is really the original when it comes to, where am I? Where am I? So this is the original place of the Ilonggo language here in Iloilo. So I'm here at a shady part of the pool. So let's talk about that. Shade, like this one was handong, where it's shady, it's not that hot, but out there in the sun, it's init. What else? Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is the init part where it's yeah, bright, silaw, but I'm here hiding in the shade because you know what? Some Filipinos, maybe most, are conscious. Where am I? Hey. There's the wind. Most Filipinos are conscious of their skin color. They don't want to be too brown than they are already. So they hide in the shade, like this one. So it's handong. Diri kita sa handong. Let's go here by under the shade sa handong. But not me. I'm not very much particular about my shade also, so I'm fine, but just for this Ilonggo word, handong. And to swim, of course, is langoy. I think I've discussed it already in my previous video. And to jump is tumbo, like this, tumbo, or lumpat, to jump. And to float, where am I? No, to float is lutaw. This is lutaw. Where am I? Where am I? Nakatabunan ko sa dahon. I'm being partly or partially covered by the plants. Nagkatabunan. Tabon, meaning covered or hidden. So there. Oh, here I am. Okay. You know why? I'll show you why this camera is dancing in the wind and why there are leaves na naghahabon or covering part of the view of this camera. I'll just show you without cutting the view. That's where I placed the camera. Hey! There's my friend Nella. Hello, wee! Inom siya wine. I want to have some. All right. Okay. So we're done. This is Joan of Art, and that's another Ilonggo word for you here at the DAMIRES Hills in Haniway, Iloilo. Thanks for watching, and see you again in our next video.